Ross, how you see the game?
The game was so strange. The ball, it was very hard, but however, Nigeria proved their talent in the stadium, and we are fair. I'm a Cameroonian, but I support Nigeria. That is Nigeria. I will continue to support them all to the last. Thank you, man.
Do you think Nigeria will go far in this tournament?
Yeah, I think that Nigeria is the best team in this tournament. I think that they will go far, as far as it is possible. I am with them.
What if Nigeria meets Cameroon?
However, if Nigeria meets Cameroon, I will support Cameroon, but however, for the moment, I'm supporting both of the team. No problem.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we don't see some other Nigerian fans where they work abroad.
I am not Nigerian.
I know.
Cameroon.
I know.
Cameroonian.
I know.
But I support my neighbor. Nigeria is my neighbor. We have the same line border. I support Nigerian team. And we won.
We won, yes.